Hello and welcome back to Random Facts. There are some facts about Amazon rainforest. The Amazon is dangerous, while the Amazon is filled with the amazing creatures such as jaguars, anaconda, and black caiman. They have little interest in human contact, and attacks on humans, particularly tourists, are rare. They prefer their natural diet. Most snakes and spiders in the Amazon are not venomous. Tourists are especially prone to the sickness while traveling in the Amazon rainforest. According to Group Travel Guide, the biggest threat comes from mosquito, carrying the malaria and yellow fever. These are both serious illnesses, so get the appropriate vaccine before you go to the Amazon.